Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Eva and I'm a mortgage power planner. So if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, you'll know that I am currently working alongside an independent mortgage advisor. So I will always tell you guys to seek advice from an independent mortgage advisor, as I do genuinely believe that is the best course of action if you are looking for a mortgage. However, how do you actually find the right advisor? In an ideal world, I'd want you all to come to us for advice. However, I want you to know how to choose the right advisor for you, as let's face it, we may not be the right choice for you. Somebody else might be. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys my 5 steps to picking the right advisor for you. So let's jump right into the video. So step number 1 is to speak to your friends and family, as 9 times out of 10, somebody you know will have already taken out a mortgage previously and probably will have gone through a mortgage advisor, a mortgage broker, so they'll have some sort of experience with them. It could be good, but it also could be bad. But that then allows you to either pick somebody that you'll end up using, or it'll narrow down your choices. So always ask for recommendations from people you trust, as they'll be able to point you in the right direction. And trust me, the right advisors will have recommendations. People will recommend them to you. That's how we get majority of our business, is through recommendations. Now step 2 is to actually research local advisors. So wherever you're living, there will be a number of different firms, there will be a lot of individual advisors, but it's important to research them. What can you find out about them online? Have they got a website? Have they got any useful content? You know, did they create any videos? Did they create any posts? Are they visible on LinkedIn? That type of thing. Social media presence is quite important nowadays, and as I say, despite a lot of successful advisors having a lot of people recommending them, having a social media presence as well does help. So see what you can find online about the advisor that you're looking to work with, as that might give you an idea of what they're like. Take me as an example. From my videos, you've probably gathered what type of personality I have, and you either like it or you don't. So you either want to work with me or you don't, and that's important. It's important to judge that. Now step number 3, after obviously you've done all your research and you've had some recommendations, the best thing to do is to actually speak to some of these advisors. So if you've narrowed it down to, let's say, 3 different advisors, talk to them all. Set up a meeting with them to gauge whether you guys click, as that's important. Your advisor will ask you a lot of personal questions, so you need to be able to trust them. A lot of good advisors won't mind you having an initial chat with them, because it's vital that you vibe with them. Now step number 4, and probably one of the most important ones, is to not feel pressured by estate agents, as what you'll normally find is that a lot of estate agents do have ties with a particular mortgage broker, so they will actually get commission from referring you to them. Now that isn't always the best choice for you, so don't feel pressured that you have to go with that particular mortgage broker. Do your own research, and if you think you found somebody else who's better for you, go with them. Don't feel like you have to go with the one that's recommended by the estate agent, because you do not have to go with that broker. It is completely your choice. And the last step is to trust your gut feeling. When you first start speaking to an independent mortgage advisor or a firm, you'll instantly have a feeling of whether they are the right choice for you. And if there's something at the back of your mind telling you that, you know, it's not a good relationship that you're going to have with that... Sorry. Excuse me.
10 seconds later.
So if you feel like something is off when you speak to that mortgage advisor or that firm, trust it. Because as I mentioned before, you need to be able to trust your advisor. They will be asking a lot of personal questions. You really need to have built up that trust with them. So don't be afraid to walk away after the first initial meeting. Just because you've met with them once doesn't mean you have to use their services. So remember that. So that is it for today's video, guys. I know how hard it is to find somebody that you vibe with, somebody that you trust. However, it is vital when it comes to your mortgage, because as I say, that mortgage advisor will ask a lot of personal questions, and you need to feel comfortable in telling them all of that. And also, if you feel comfortable in opening up to them, they'll be able to help you a lot better. So if you take just one thing from this video, let it be that you need to be able to trust your advisor. So with that being said, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It's completely free, doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me massively. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back on Monday with a brand new video. Bye guys.